Creating a beautiful garden does not have been expensive. With a bit of creative and some recycled materials, you can craft unique and eco-friendly decor that adds charm and personality to your outdoor space. Here are some simple garden decor ideas using recycled projects. Welcome to our channel 90 ideas. If you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Old tires can be transformed into a vibrant planters. Clean the tires thoroughly, paint them in bright colors and stack them and hang them to create vertical corners. Plastic bottle can be used to create attractive borders for your garden beds. Fill bottles with a sand and soil for stability, then bury them neck down around your flower beds or pathways. Wooden pallets can be upcycled into a garden furniture. Create benches, tables, and even plant stands by staring down the pallets, then threading them for outdoor use. An old wooden ladder can be turned into a multi-tiered plant stand and paint the ladder when needed. Then place pots on each strap. The vertical display is great for showcasing vertical plants without taking much ground space. By using recycled materials, you can create unique and sustainable garden decor. These projects not only enhance the beauty of your outdoor but also promote. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more ideas.